Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials: a UVC-compatible HDMI capture card, a short HDMI cable, and a USB-C OTG-capable phone. Plug the switch into its dock, then run HDMI from the dock to the capture card. Next, connect the capture card to your phone's USB-C port. If your phone needs an OTG adapter, attach it now. Once done, unlock your phone and grant any camera or USB permissions the app requests, because without those permissions, the phone can't display the incoming HD. Now you configure the app on your phone to accept the capture card input. Open a UVC-compatible capture app, then select the attached capture device in the source list. You should see the switch video appear. Make sure the app resolution matches the switch output. Choose 720p or 1080p, and set 60 frames per second if your capture card and phone can handle it. Also check buffering or latency options. Lower buffer reduces delay but may cause stutter, so balance smoothness versus responsiveness. Finish by starting the recording or stream within the capture app. You'll see and hear your switch on the phone screen. Mount the phone securely and keep cables relaxed to avoid disconnects. If audio is out of sync, increase the app's audio delay until it matches video. If you get no signal, power cycle the dock, reseat the HDMI cable, and reconnect the USB. Make sure the capture device is UVC compatible and that you granted USB permissions. If problems persist, try a different USB port or a different capture card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.